we forgot. Oh, we are tired. Today our goal is to build the entire media wall frame. Do you agree with me?
Or just to start it?
We're gonna make it or not? So we just measured this corner. There are gonna be 2 little shelves, and then we're gonna build it up, and then we will see. Oh, what you forgot? He forgot to plug in the cable, so how you gonna trim it?
You do it.
Where is the cable? Where is it? Remember, you need to plug in, otherwise you're not gonna be able to cut anything. It's ready. Well done.
Let's measure.
Ooh, what's happened? That's not perfect. Trim. Cut. Trim. Too big? I think you need to trim a little bit more. Or you can just push it.
Push it.
What size, dear?
Good size.
No, what size?
145
Centimeters, yeah?
centimeters.
Yes. Now we need loads of that size.
A lot.
It's gonna be legs. How do you call them? Shelf legs?
Ribs.
Ribs.
I don't know.
Okay, so how many you're gonna need
We
them?
need quite a few on this side and then quite a few on the other side.
Okay, let's do it.
So we're doing it in advance.
We cut this wood into 3 sizes. Long one, medium let's say, and small. The small goes in the middle between back wood and front wood. How to call them? Simba, how to call them? Tell me. Simba? The moment of truth. If it's gonna fit or not. Okay. There are gonna be 2 shelves. But
I'm gonna go.
you're joking. It's not fitting. have we done? We need to remove that metal stud. And it goes. It's not because of that metal, is it? What have we done?
It's called precise measurement. And
Don't break the glass, please. Oh, that is loud. And it's in.
whoa, let's now put it back.
This two screws.
If you can actually. This is nice. Let's check if we measure okay. This bit goes here. This bit goes there.
Should be fine. It's plasterboard,
Yep.
which goes under that metal thingy.
It's gonna be perfect.
Yeah, it's
Now
all
I
good.
just need to make sure that it fits.
What do you want? Simba. Hmm? We made a mistake.
You made a mistake.
You was measuring. We set up oral laser and we noticed that it's not going straight. So what we did, we measured this wood stud wrongly. Instead of 16 centimeters.
We made it 17.
Yes, so we need to fix it.
Handle would be nice.
We have no choice just to do it that way. We need to trim 1 centimeter. You want me to do that?
Huh?
You want me to do that?
No.
We managed to fix it. It's all straight, all aligned. So now we can move on to another side. Let's move on to the side. How many wood studs we got?
used 8.
We used 8 and left.
Just because we made so many mistakes.
Oh, it is first time for us. I think we're getting clever. We start understand how things works, yeah?
Maybe.
Are you happy, dance? No way. You broke it.
Yep.
Are you joking? Look. Oh no, it's inside. What do you have another one?
It comes
Oh,
with
you
the
got
pair.
another one.
Hopefully that's gonna last. Or
It's
gonna...
not our day today, trust me.
Lovely.
Oh my. At least we got another one.
Yup.
That was not gonna fit. Another mistake. Oh, we are tired.
It's not a mistake. I just need to take sides out. Uno momento.
So we need to remove that. Second try. What's happening today? We need to think.
Give me hammer. Hammer will help.
Don't break the glass. Because of those little screws?
I think so. I think it's not a good idea to do it now.
We need to think.
Because we're gonna do the shelves anyway. But you can see potential.
Yeah, new design.
We're gonna skip this, we're gonna make this.
Oh my god, our brains are on fire, I think so, today.
The real question is how we're gonna make it work now. When the frame doesn't fit, the almighty Bieber shaved the wall.
Let's try again.
Round 2.
I think it's round 3 now.
Maybe.
Watch out with the fireplace. Nope. You got a gap in here.
We missed the corner.
What do you mean we missed the corner?
Yeah, so what we missed?
What we missed?
The connection. If I'll pull that, I'll lift that.
Oh, yes.
Yep.
It's too long. Yeah. It's long. Oh, yeah.
We will fix it tomorrow.
Okay, we need to remove this wood and trim it
Just
a
make
little
sure
bit.
that's
It's gonna be for tomorrow. We're not gonna bother ourselves today. Oh no, we forgot.
What did you forget?
How about solid backing for our TV?
Well, I've got an idea, and you gonna see it in the next video.